This clock was found at the flea market about a year ago, and it was sitting on this secretary piece of furniture for a while. I gave up. I couldn't make it work. Today I was cleaning this corner and decided to give it another try. Watched a couple videos on YouTube, and as you can see, there is very easy solution. It might have been just not leveled. I put the magazine under one side, and it's been working now for an hour. It striked once at a half an hour, and now in few minutes we'll hear I said, there we go. Should be 8 times. 2. Beautiful sound. All right, this is Seth Thomas Mantel clock in great condition, great working condition with the original key, and I'm planning to put it on eBay for sale.